bash bar to put on. First thing, we gotta open it up, check it out. Second thing, we gotta take off the bumper, test fit it, make sure it fits and everything. I do know this car has been at least one little fender bender. I don't even have a bash bar behind the bumper, so hoping everything fits. Might have to do a little tweaking, adjusting. But we'll get it on there. Once we get it to fit, then we will go over it with some paint. Went to the auto parts store, got the VHT, roll bar, and chassis paint. Just black paint. Should look pretty good on this, and it should be durable enough that it's not gonna get flaked off right away. First things first, we gotta open this thing up. Ooh, comes with new mounting hardware, gotta like that. This is the, like I said, Limitless Auto Fab dual row bar. Face with it. That's what she said. There it is. You can see he's got the Limitless Auto Fab piece right there. Just like that, bumper is off. Let's see how this goes. Okay, there's that little tab. Wait a minute. Alright, so it's one on each side. First thing first, little tab inserts work, so that's good. Do we have anything to bolt to back there? That's the other thing. So far, no. What's going on? Yeah, we're not aligned quite right there. This one has 3 bolts in it. This one has none. Not off to a great start. Not off to a great start. I just got nothing behind there where it's supposed to be on this side. This has got a whole lot more complicated. Okay, so things have escalated a little bit. We ended up having to take out the core support and stuff because we are about a finger too far out here. We're all the way over as far as we can get. We're still not lining up. So I knew the car had probably been in a little fender bender before. I thought that this would have gotten pushed in, not out. So yeah, I've got to find a way to bring this in a little bit, and then we'll be good to go. But that's where we're at now. We got it bolted in fine on this side, but over here, yeah, I can see that's how far we are. The screwdriver's in the hole there. See, I can get a better view of this for you guys. So it's in there, but it's just not quite over enough. So down there it doesn't look as close. So hopefully we can get this moved over. All right, here's where we're leaving off for today. Got it all installed. Had to take the core support off to, give the mounts a little persuasion so they lined it up better. We got that done, so now that's all mounted. It's getting late, so I'm gonna go to bed, but tomorrow the goal is to get it painted. Everything else is actually pretty clean under the front of this. I have a feeling they just replaced that core support and tried to get it as close as they could whenever they got wrecked. But now I'll have a little protection behind that bumper. Little by little, we're putting this thing together. Okay, coat 1 is on there. Just went with the gloss black roll bar paint, VHT. I'll let this first coat dry, throw a couple more coats on it, and she'll be all set. Alright, just laid down a second coat. The main thing I wanted to focus on was just getting a complete coat on it. Now it's covered all the way around, from every angle I could. Should be durable, should last. Only took one can, so I got another can laying around. Save it for later. Get it put back together here tomorrow. Get it out of the garage. Get some more pictures of it. See how it looks. Front end's back together without the bumper. I'm gonna have to pull it outside and get a little better view of it. It's hard to see in the garage, but I don't know. I see a lot of guys running without the bumper. Just worry about my radiator and stuff getting smacked by rocks and shit. I don't know. Pull it out in the light later and see how it looks. There it is, out of the garage. Bash bar is on. It came out pretty good. Section's pretty clean.